Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create electronic displays and panels that can be used inside sci-fi scenes and games. So let's get going. The first thing that we will need is a plane, a ground, and another plane that will act as a wall. So we will create those. We will assign some materials to the ground, like marble or something. And I will be using Blender kit for materials. So we will use something like that. Now grab an edge and extrude it vertically. I will grab the face and will separate it to create the wall. And I will assign it a different material. I will look for bricks, for example, in Blender Kit. Blender Kit is, if you don't have it already, then I highly recommend you get it. It's free, so the add-on is free and you get a lot of free materials there. Now add a plane for the panel itself, and we will use some fixed dimensions, like 1 meter by 1 meter or something like that, because it's supposed to be a computer display of some sort. Of course, if you want, you can create different sizes and then assign them different textures. Basically, this is the whole tutorial. You create panels and you assign them textures, and those textures can be of different colors or different attributes, or maybe even some animations are running on them, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to texture map some animations on the panels. So now I'm going to make some insets, some extrusions, small extrusions to create the panel itself. I will create some buttons here using the loop tools. I will select some surfaces and inset them and then extrude them a bit so they look like buttons. And now I'm going to grab the buttons and assign different materials to them so they look like electronic buttons actually. And now I'm going to create the main panel, the main display. Then I will enter the shading view, and I will grab the surface that I'm going to texture with the animation. I'm going to select an image texture. Of course, I'm going to select first a new slot for the material. If it doesn't have one, I will create one. And I will grab some animation from my folder. I have created some animations using AI, something using Grok and using Gemini. Some psychedelic animations. Oh, actually, only images, static images, and I've created the animations myself. We will do UV projection from the shading panel. We will do projection from the view itself. Well, that's the easiest one, the most straightforward one. So we can map a surface to a rectangular plane. And we are going to grab the surface and scale it in the UV editor so it fits exactly our needs. So you can see now we have an animation running on the surface itself, as if it would on a computer display. And now we are going to repeat the same process for the second panel. And you can actually create as many panels as you want using the duplication shortcut, Shift D. And you can then grab the surface that you want to texture and go to the shading menu, and there you can choose an image texture as we have done previously, and load some animation or whatever texture you want to the material. Again, we are going to do projection from the viewport, and we will go to the UV editing, and we will specify the coordination of the texture inside the UV editor. If you have any problems during this phase, what you can do is separate the polygon, the quad that you are attempting to texture to a separate object, and then do the texture mapping there, and then you can make it a child of the original panel back again, or even join it. So this is it. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. At the end of this video, you will see the final render of the project. Have a nice day and see you next time.